I, Sadaf Roof, Assistant Professor, Government Degree College, Tanda, Department of English, on behalf of the Wadi Principal, extend a warm welcome to all of you to this one-day border area outreach program organized in collaboration with the Confederation of Indian Industries. It acts as a reference point for Indian industry, focusing on policy advocacy, competitiveness, sustainable development, and ease of doing business. CII actively engages in economic policy formulation, promoting manufacturing sustainability and technological advancements, including recent collaborations with the government on AI for economic growth. We are grateful to our delegates for taking time out to interact with our students and share their expertise with all of us.
We are actually a youth wing of CII called Young Indians, and we particularly come from Calcutta chapter. We have about 71 chapters with 9,000 members plus, and we are all entrepreneurs spread across the country. And I would like to introduce a little bit about what VIA does. So VIA is a dynamic platform for young leaders to connect, collaborate, and create meaningful impacts through leadership, entrepreneurship, and social responsibility. So what we have different verticals where we work towards. We work for rural initiatives, climate change. We have a youth wing which works with schools, that is called Masoom, and with colleges, that's called Yuva. And we are here to learn more about the valley and understand how we could be helpful and be instrumental towards making a better future for everybody here.
Seven of us here, and all belong from different industries in India. And if you have any questions or queries or any idea where you want us to give our input on those ideas or queries or whatever it is, so we'll be all seven of us will be very happy.
Doing homestays at their own houses, how do they popularize that online? We have been running a mentorship center at Roshan Muktabil Center as well. This is in Kupwara, where we are doing mentorship as well. So maybe we can provide a similar mentorship or guidance session. We can have certain specific timelines, and I'm happy to contribute in that in terms of if you need any ideas, if you need what is the next step you want to do in terms of hospitality, in terms of setting up a homestay, what are the basics which are required, where it should be listed online. Awareness के लिए, whether it is some level of marketing या advertising जो करनी होगी, उसके लिए also if you need some mentorship, we'd be happy to do that. हम लोग कुपवारा में already mentorship कर रहे हैं.
A very warm welcome from my side to all the delegates on behalf of the Karna administration. मैं करना की बात कहूँ, यहाँ इस वैली ने बहुत अच्छे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स पैदा किए हैं, अच्छे प्रोफेसर्स, अच्छे डॉक्टर्स, अच्छे टीचर्स, अच्छे इंसान. अब बिजनेस में वी आर होपिंग टुवर्ड्स यू कि इसी मजमू में से काफ़ी हमारे जो बडिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स फ्यूचर के होंगे वो आपको एज रोल मॉडल लेके आगे चले जाएंगे. और जो भी बातें आपने यहाँ कही, ख़ास तौर पर करना एक ऐसा सब डिवीज़न है जो कि डिस्ट्रिक्ट से थोड़ा दूर है, कट ऑफ है, अपने कुछ चैलेंजेस हैं इसके, लेकिन इन चैलेंजों को हमने अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ में कन्वर्ट करना है. We have to train our human resources so that they will rule the every part of the world. अगर हम स्किल डेवलपमेंट की बात करें, हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में भी कुछ सेंटर्स चल रहे हैं, या हमारी बड़ी एक अच्छी स्कीम भी है मिशन युवा करके. अगर एक बेनिफिशरी उसमें इनरोल करेगा और फिर आपसे मेंटरशिप लेगा, so that will be a great contribution in fostering his talent and in giving him a right guidance. हमारी यहाँ पे एक डेलीगेट थी जो इंटरनल डिज़ाइनिंग में, आजकल अक्सर आप देखते हो कि हर कोई चाहता है कि मेरा चाहे शॉप हो, बिजनेस एस्टैब्लिशमेंट हो या मकान हो, वी वांट टू हैव ए मॉडर्न लुक, इंटरनल डिज़ाइनिंग. और उसमें भी इट्स अ वेरी वास्ट फील्ड. भले ही उसमें आपको अपने पास रिसोर्सेज की ज़रूरत नहीं है, अगर आपके पास एक्सपर्टाइज है, अगर आपके पास एक कोई मेंटर है who will guide you remotely, there is no need that he will offer you a certificate, but अगर आपका स्किल है, स्किल itself is a certificate. फैकल्टीज यहाँ रही, उन्होंने इसको ऑर्गेनाइज